Hello friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today we are talking about grey haircut ideas for women over 60. Grey hair is natural, beautiful and a sign of confidence and grace. Many women choose to keep their grey hair with the right haircut. Grey hair can look very stylish and modern. The most important thing is to choose a haircut that feels comfortable and easy. Let's talk about some beautiful grey haircut ideas for women over 60. First is a short grey haircut. Short hair is very easy to manage. It looks neat, clean and fresh. A short grey cut gives a confident and youthful look. Next is the grey bob haircut. A bob haircut is classic and elegant. It suits almost every face shape. A chin length or short bob looks very nice with grey hair. Another great style is the layered grey haircut. Layers add volume and movement to the hair. This is perfect for thin or fine grey hair. Layered cuts make hair look fuller and healthier. Now let's talk about the pixie haircut for grey hair. Pixie cuts are short and stylish. They are very easy to care for. This haircut gives a bold and modern look. The soft wave gravy haircut is also a lovely choice. Light waves add softness to the face. This style looks natural and elegant. It is perfect for women who like a gentle look. Next is the grey haircut with side bang. Side bangs help frame the face. They make the hair look stylish and soft. Bangs can also hide fine lines on the forehead. For women who like longer hair, the medium length grey haircut is a good option. This style gives modern to tie or style hair. It looks graceful and classy. When choosing a grey haircut, always think about your hair type and lifestyle. Choose a style that is easy for daily life. Comfort is more important than flowing trends. Grey hair needs care too. Use good shampoo and conditioner. Regular trimming keeps the haircut fresh and neat. Grey hair is not something to hide. It shows beauty, wisdom and confidence. A nice haircut can make you feel proud and happy. Keep visiting my channel for more designs and more ideas. Please friends, subscribe my channel and not forget to press the bell icon. By pressing the bell icon, you will get all the notifications of my channel and my latest uploading videos. In this way, you never miss my video in my collection. Friends, I always try to bring useful videos and useful content for you. So please don't forget to like my video and don't forget to share my video. And also gives your feedback in the comment section about my collection. How was the video and how was the designs of beautiful and trendy women stylish haircut ideas. So friends, thanks for watching my video. See you again with beautiful collection. Till then, Allah Hafiz.